Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Apple Watch Series 9. Just purchased this one. So let me show you the box opening. This is the Series 9 and 40 millimeter. So this is the watch, I believe. Let me open it. Okay. Yep. And this is the belt. So this is the Apple Watch. Oops, so small, tiny. Not sure how to open it. So the Apple Watch. What else coming? Let me show you. And the price is $399 plus tax. So it is coming with a charger, and it is USB-C, but they are not giving any adapter, so adapter is required. Now let me open it. The packaging is very nice. It's very hard to open actually. So this is the, and this is Nike strip. So